Oliver, look at the sky. Do you see that? It's like a giant glowing cat eye. Do you think they have snacks in that galaxy?
Milo, you idiot. That's not a portal to Tuna. It's a portal to... We are doomed. We need to find a basement, now.
The world is screaming, Oliver. Listen. It sounds like thousands of tiny glass bells breaking at once. It's so terrifyingly beautiful. Everything is so quiet now. No cars, like no humans. Finally, New York is ours, even if it is a little bit cold.